welcome back to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day to all of you from me. I know it's been a long time since you have seen me on this channel. Thank you so much for your patience. So today's look is going to be a Valentine's Day look that I'm wearing today. It is a very soft peachy pink feminine kind of look, and I have given you two lip options to wear with this look. And also, if you liked my video, please consider subscribing to my channel and also liking and sharing the video. Thank you so much for watching today. Happy Valentine's Day to all of you, and let's get on with the video now. So first I'm going to take my e.l.f. Camo concealer to prime my eyelids. Next, I will take my Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette, and I'm mostly going to play with these pink tone colors here. Next, I'll be taking my Tammi X Revolution palette, and I'm going to dip into this sparkly peach color. Again, going back into my Tammi palette, I'm going to take this color to darken up the outer corner of my eyelid. Now I'm going to go ahead and complete my other eye, and I'm going to come back. Now that both my eyes match, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows with my Rimmel eyebrow pencil. Now I'm going to use my sugar eyeliner. to take my Sugar Coal of Honor Kajal and I'm going to line my waterline. Tightline my upper waterline as well. I'm going to come back and finish my eyes. Next I'm going to move on to my complexion. My face is already moisturized and I'm going to move on to my foundation next. It's going to be the Clinique foundation. Concealer, and I'm going to take my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer and I'm going to go underneath my eyes with that. I'm going to take this plummy pinky color and I'm going to go and smoke out my lower lash line with that. And for my inner corner highlight, I'll be using this light peachy shade from my Revolution Flawless 4 palette. I'm going to use this shade to highlight my brow bone. Next, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara and I'm going to use it on my eyelashes. Next, I'm going to slightly bronze up my face using my Revolution contour palette and I'm going to take this shade here and just warm up my face a bit. My whole peachy pinky vibe, I'm going to use my Freedom blush. This is in the shade Rare. I'm not sure if it's discontinued, but I love this blush so much, so you can use whatever peachy shade you have, but I'm going to use this blush now. just to tone down the blush a bit, I'm going to go back with my foundation brush. And this will also even out the color even more. For highlight, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Precious Petals. This is a very beautiful champagne highlighter with a little bit of peach undertones, and this will really complement my eye look. My lips, I'm going to use Bad Habit from Colourpop. My second lipstick option is going to be Colourpop into Bitti collection, and the shade is Holly Lolly. So this completes my makeup look. Thank you so much for watching today. I'm so grateful to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also like and comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.